At the beginning, you'll be nervous, but then when you get to know each other, you feel at home.
This is the Youth Ambassador Program.
We are here to learn leadership skills and to learn to be more involved in our communities.
So I want to learn more about the culture of America and the culture for the countries from Central America.
I want to show the beautiful things that my country has, and also I want to learn. My experience with my host family has been incredible.
I guess that is the best part of the program because we get to know how families are in here.
I do feel like I'm a part of the family. We go to festivals, we eat together, we talk.
You get to learn more from your country while being away from it.
Everything in here is new. I'm in a different country, I'm in a different culture.
Every day I think that I find so many differences between my country and this country, but I learned to say that nothing is good or bad. Everything is different, and that is really great because we are learning every day. Well, I want to take from Harrison work the importance that they give to the environment, and I want to implement that in my country because I want to inspire the people to take care of the environment and that we can be the change that we want to see in the world.
I'm very concerned regarding how we can be environmentally friendly, and I want to educate people about how we can compost and recycle things.
Sometimes when you're at home, you feel like you're the only one that really cares and people won't be there to support you, but it is possible to make a change because all of us together, our voices can be heard.